This film is designed to be used by mentors and ITE tutors to support beginner teachers to understand and use the three types of knowledge which structure religious education. The three knowledge types in RE. These broad types of knowledge are the ways that progression is structured within RE. These three are substantive knowledge, ways of knowing or disciplinary knowledge, and personal knowledge. However, it is important to be clear that these three should be seen as integrated rather than to be taught independently. Substantive knowledge. Some educators call this by various terms, including the bread and butter of the tradition, the essential knowledge that you cannot do without. In other words, it is the knowledge about different religious and non-religious traditions. It is what is traditionally understood as content, and Richard Quay in 2020 refers to it as stuff as well. In other words, it is when pupils learn knowledge about matters of central importance to traditions and ways of life, when they learn about organised traditions and individual ways of living, about religion and belief locally, nationally, and globally, and when they ask and consider answers to ultimate questions. Ways of knowing or disciplinary knowledge. Ways of knowing or disciplinary knowledge is about being scholarly in the way that substantive content and concepts are approached. It's the different tools and methods that pupils use to learn the substantive knowledge, the stuff. At its very simplest, it is about helping children to realise that there are different ways for them to find out about a tradition, such as asking questions about stories, artefacts, texts, and how people live. It is helping pupils to realise that they will get a different understanding of Pesach, Passover, from reading the Exodus story, or from watching a Seder meal, or talking to a Jewish person, or exploring what freedom really means. In more academic terms, the disciplinary is the sum total of the tools, norms, methods, and modus operandi of the way in which humans must go about exploring a field of human knowledge that has its own set of conventions. That's from Richard Quay, again in 2020. Three disciplines have become prominent amongst RE educators and practitioners: theology, philosophy, and human and social sciences. Some agreed syllabi have adopted this approach. This means that in RE lessons, if the lesson adopts a theological way of knowing or disciplinary approach, you and the children will be looking at a topic through a theological lens. For philosophy, it will be a philosophical lens, and for human and social sciences, there may be varied sociological lenses. Personal knowledge. Personal knowledge is more than personal opinion. RE does support the development of personal opinions. However, personal knowledge involves helping pupils to consider how and why people come to their opinions. It is about allowing pupils to examine how assumptions, experiences, background, and commitments shape their own perspectives and those of others. Pupils reflect on what insights from religious or non-religious traditions may, or may not, have to offer them in their personal search for meaning. It's also described as knower knowledge, personal worldview, reflexivity, and positionality. And Ofsted in 2021 note that when pupils study RE content, they do so from a position. This position is their viewpoint or perspective on the world, which is influenced by, for example, their values, prior experiences, and sense of identity. Personal knowledge develops through engaging with religious and non-religious perspectives and supports informed, tolerant dialogue and respect for others in a plural society, including with communities who have experienced forms of fear and persecution on the basis of their religion or belief. This infographic from the Diocese of Lincoln might be useful for visualising the three types of knowledge in RE.